Hello and welcome to lesson 24. Let's speak together. Please answer my questions. What does liberty mean to you personally? Do you prefer a floral or musky perfume? How would you describe the role of a parent in a child's life? Do you enjoy eating tomatoes raw or cooked in dishes? Have you ever received an insult that stuck with you for a long time? How often do you go for a run to stay active? What qualifications does your job require? What is your biggest interest these days? Can you recommend a good brand of socks for outdoor activities? What do you think is the target audience for Justin Bieber? And now create your own sentences from following words. Waste, strange, atheist, cash, couch. I will read a dictation to you now, so please write it down and then read it out loud. In November, the small town prepared for its annual festival. The streets were filled with colorful decoration. Among them was a strange old shop, hardly noticed before. Inside, mysterious artifacts filled the shelves. A peculiar crystal caught young Mia's eyes. She touched it, and suddenly, time seemed to freeze. The shop owner appeared, explaining it was a time crystal. Mia was intrigued. She begged to know more. The owner chuckled and said, "Only those who dare can run through time's corridors." With a wink, he vanished, leaving Mia to ponder her newfound adventure. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.